Hello mga ka-ALS! Welcome to Learning Strand 1, Communication Skills in English for Elementary Level. What is noun? Noun is a word that represents a person, place, animal, thing, and event. Example of person: mother, engineer, policeman, nun. Place: school, hospital, beach, and church. Example of animals: dog, bunny, monkey, and frog. Here are the example of things: basket, pot, watch, pencil. Example of event: recital, cosplay, pets day, kids fair. The importance of nouns in our lives. Nouns are essential for clear and specific communication, helping us identify and categorize people, places, things, animals, and events. Okay, so let's remember. From the names of people we know, to the places we visit, from the animals we encounter, to the things we use and the events that shape our lives, nouns provide the vocabulary for understanding and navigating our world. Thank you and God bless us all, mga ka-ALS.